Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the first video model. This is a new start for car simulator that we are making fishes for. It is a game that we are making and now we need to make the car for it. First we made the fishes. Go check out that videos and learn to make the fishes like I did from Bugatti. First of all, we need to make this car. It's a Bugatti. So we need to make it underwater swimmable floatable part, and now we have to add some reference images. Main thing is the reference image, and then place the reference image correctly to the correctly in the view. Then we plane and add mirror modifier. Then we extrude and place every loop and mesh to the right place, and then add blue cut and extrude them down to the right place where they look good. And extrude them exactly same, even it can be a face or vertex or edge. And remember to keep it simple. Firstly, in the start we have to keep it simple and looking nice looking. First of all, I'm gonna look at the reference images as much as I can to fit the shape correctly according to the reference. Keep it simple and keep it rough. And remember to keep it low poly. Make the game work like that. We need to make low polythene to make the polygon according to the requirement. Now extrude every part of the mesh and then fill it one by one, and then look from every angle from top, side and front, and set the shape from every side and extrude them according to the reference. It is a fun way, so watch carefully and make creatively, just like I did. And now moving the vertices can be a little bit complicated sometimes, but it is a fun part, so don't miss out. Just like this, moving vertices and fitting them is a lot than extruding it and tracing it, fitting it. Okay, it is a lot of fun. So make it as much creatively you like. Low polythene can be a little bit not good looking, but it is a good way to make something. Firstly, if we didn't make it any, if we didn't make it before, so I will extrude out every part like the front and back and side and top, just like this. Keep it simple and make it look good, and remember to keep it low poly as much as you can. Okay, this looks a lot better. So move the vertices around and match the shape correctly. Sometimes we can add some extra details according to our requirement. Let's extrude some areas, but remember to let's expose something to match the polygon for our requirement. Okay, look every corner to if our mesh is good, and if you see any problem, now grab the back part to make the backlight of your Bugatti, and see the inner. We can dissolve the inner vertex and make it one face. We can add as much loop cuts as we can, but less loop cuts I prefer to use. Okay, now let's duplicate this top beautiful faces and make it proper like that, and keep it simple and look low poly. Okay, keeping it low poly is a lot important, so we can rig it and use it in any game we want. We can use the knife tool and for using the case shortcut to use the knife tool and press enter to reset the cutting where we made in this mesh. Tweak every area if you see any problem. but I prefer to you insert B and press B to insert from the middle face. Like if we had a mirror and the middle face we want, and we want the insertion to do good, and then tweaking is a lot important, so we get the solution where if there's a problem. To make the windows, we have to fill the area and insert just a little and move them a little bit in inwards and Alt F. Now extrude the wheel body where the wheel holes in the body and extrude it inwards and fill the whole bottom part from the bottom of the car. Fill them by extruding it from the bottom inward and fill every vertex if you see, but every vertex see and fill them accordingly. To make the size we need no mesh, no polygon, just like 12 to 14 segments. We need to keep it simple and good looking. Keep everything simple and good looking. I prefer to use knife tool if you don't want any more loop cuts here and there, and it will be a mess. So use a knife tool for better results. Add a circle with only 12 to 14 segments and add the mirror modifier and put the target object, the body, to make the wheel correctly. It's just a starting and helpful guide to make a car, low body car. Then we can add details by adding subdivision, tweaking, and keeping something dark. And then we get a high res car. Just like this, mirror the circle with only 12 to 14 segments, and then make the tire like that, extrusion and Alt S inward, just like this. And to make the wheel rims, we need to add another circle. We can add another circle, then extrude them just like. But first, extruding is later. Extruding is required after when we set the segment first. Set the segment as you need, like 5 to 10 or maybe less than much. Okay, extrude and fill the bottom part fill them and cover the bottom part by extruding. Just like this. Fill them correctly and move them inward. Now we can color every part of the body, just like I did to the red, and plus every area and Control plus and color black, just like so, and Control minus and color the windows siding, and don't make it transparent. So we have to look into the inside and we have to make it inside the red. And color every part correctly, and just like the back light, front light, and the glass windows, and color the tires as well. Now our car is looking much better. Now it is missing something. Just like a Bugatti has the black part of the whole black paint to the whole body from the side and top to the front. Then select the areas where you want the black and color them just like that, and look around every part of the body to see if it's missing any color. And now select the faces part of the body and color them correctly. Now we need to make it in underwater. Whenever load our car. Now we need to select these faces right here and extrude it to make the wing. Then we can move it a little back and scale it. We can make it all in the middle of the wing. I use the Control Shift F cutter tool. We can enable it in the preferences, and just like I use the Control Shift F, and we can make holes like this. And press Control to cut according to the grid. We can do that like this. I duplicated the tire and made the plan of the wing, so next to the wing, and color them red from the whole loop. Now our car is missing any spoiler. I made a spoiler, but I will show you how you can make it. Select this loop right here, duplicate it and scale them back just a little bit, extrude it and keep it stiff, and give some solidness, and make it a one object, just like I did make here, and duplicate it on the top. And now we can make as much as we want. Now our car is complete. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.